For the third night in a row, Zoe fell asleep before her dad walked through that door. This is the story of the week everything in the Miller house started to change.
Big presentation today, but I promise I'll be home for dinner tonight.
Can we play the board game after? You promised last time too.
Tonight, I promise. 6 o'clock, sharp. Love you all. See you tonight. Yes, I understand the deadline. I'll stay as late as it takes. This client meeting can't slip again, David. We need this finished tonight. I'll get it done, Mr. Coleman. Just a little longer. I can still make it.
Is Daddy almost here? It's 6 o'clock. He's almost here, sweetie. Just a few more minutes.
Running late, something came up at work. Start without me.
He said that yesterday, too. He promised 6 o'clock.
Good night, sweetheart.
Made it. Finally. I missed it again. I'm sorry, you two.
David, this is the 4th night this week.
I know. It's just this project. It won't last forever. You said that about the last project too, Dad. I did say that, didn't I?
That photo had been sitting on his desk for 2 years. He hadn't really looked at it in weeks.
One more thing before you leave tonight. Every night, there's one more thing.
Meanwhile, at home, dinner had gone cold 3 nights in a row.
Do you think Dad doesn't want to come home anymore? No, I think he's just really busy. I hope.
They're starting to wonder. We need to talk tonight. Really talk.
We need to talk tonight. Really talk. It can wait. For once, it can actually wait. Mr. Coleman, do you have a minute? I need to leave at 6 every night this week. My family needs me home. I understand. That's fine.
All right, David. We'll figure the workload out differently.
Thank you. I mean that.
Right on time, for once.
Let's make this one count.
Daddy! You're actually here.
I'm here. And I'm gonna keep being here.
We really did need to talk tonight.
I talked to my boss today. I'm leaving on time from now on.
Thank you for hearing us, David. That means more than you know.
Does that mean you'll actually play the board game with us tonight?
Oh.
Right after dinner. I promise. And this time, I mean it. We'll see about that.
I'm gonna win this time, Daddy.
For the first time in weeks, David's phone stayed silent on the table. Nobody noticed. Nobody needed to.
And they all lived happily, together, every single evening.
Good night, Daddy.
I'm glad you're home.
Good night, sweetie.
Good night, kiddo.
Good night, Dad.
See you in the morning.
Me too.
This is the David I married.
I've missed having him home. Work will always ask for more. I just forgot I'm allowed to say no sometimes.
Same time tonight? 6 o'clock, dinner, the whole family?
6 o'clock. I'm gonna hold you to it.
That week, David learned something simple that took him far too long to see. A career can wait for a meeting. It should never have to wait for the people who are waiting at home. So here's a question for you. What does your family do together at the end of a long day? Tell us in the comments below. And if this story reminded you of something important, subscribe, because a new story is coming next week.